channel. I'm so excited for today's recipe because every year around November, my family prepares this ponche and it is like nothing you've ever tried before. It's so warm and spicy, full of ginger and cinnamon and slowly simmered in pineapple and tons of apples. I guarantee it's gonna be a new family tradition at your household too. Now let's get started. To start this punch, I have here 1 pineapple. I'm going to be scrubbing the pineapple very well inside all of those crevices because we're going to be boiling the skin to extract all of its delicious flavor. When buying your pineapple, look for a plump and juicy one that's bright yellow in color, and smell your pineapple. You want it to have a sweet scent. Once it's cleaned and rinsed, slice off the ends and place your skin into the large pot. Pour 8 cups of water into your pot and place it on a medium heat while we start to chop the rest of the fruits. Chop up the rest of the pineapple, being sure to cut around all that core and place all of that chopped up pineapple to the side. For those of you who are new to my channel, I post every other day. Be sure to subscribe and click that notifications bell so you won't miss out. The next ingredient is my favorite. This is a piece of ginger. You want a piece about the size of your thumb, maybe a little bit more if you want this a little extra spicy in taste. Peel all of that skin off and prick it with your fork so all of that flavor gets released while this ponche is simmering. Next part, the apples. As you can see, these are Granny Smith green apples. They are a must for this ponche because of their taste. It's nice and tart, which really balances out the sweetness of all the other ingredients in this recipe. Core and dice these up into bite-sized pieces, and then you're going to place all of this chopped fruit into that simmering pineapple skin, along with a piece of ginger, and I'm going to be adding the rest of the ingredients. About 8 dried allspice berries are going in, along with 2 cinnamon sticks. Try to use Mexican canela, which has a completely different taste than the milder American version. Then goes in the raisins and the prunes. Lastly, the sugar. Start with 3/4 cups, and depending on how sweet your fruit is, you may need to add more. Mix this all up and allow it to simmer for about 10 minutes covered. Then at this point, you're gonna remove that pineapple skin from the punch and continue to simmer this for 1 full hour. As you can see, this is still a white color, but you'll know when this ponche is ready because it'll become a deep golden brown color. And not to mention the best part of all, you guys, close all of your windows because while this is simmering, your house will smell like a winter wonderland. It's absolutely remarkable. It is not November or the holiday season in my house if this pot of ponche is not just hanging out on the stovetop. The taste is like no other. Everything complements this drink so well, so be sure not to leave anything out so you won't miss out on the true flavors of Guatemala. If you guys enjoyed this recipe, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget all the ingredients are listed down below in the description box, and I'll see you guys next time.